Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Double J Outdoors. Decided to come down for a weekend and get out on the lake. Usually I post some fishing and extra on this channel, but this video is going to be strictly boating and tubing. And so it should be a really great weekend for that. It's going to be really hot, so might as well take advantage of the cool water before it gets too hot. So we've actually got a pretty busy weekend ahead of us. We've got quite a few people coming out. My Mimi, my dad and Kim will be here. My stepbrother will be here. Potentially my friend Dakota. Potentially more family members. We'll just see how tomorrow shapes out. I just got done celebrating my 26th birthday, and so this is more or less what I consider my birthday weekend trip. And so I'm really looking forward to getting out on the boat and doing some tubing, getting slung off. So about 6 months ago, I did my very first Double J Outdoors video. And in that video, I had explained my Mimi's pontoon boat. And so, because it's been so long, I'm going to explain it to you guys again. And so what we have is a 22-foot Avalon. It is equipped with a 90 horsepower Honda outboard motor. It's super quiet, really smooth running. This boat is really smooth. I was surprised the very first time I ever took it out on the water. It cuts through waves, and maybe that's all pontoon boats. I've actually never drove a pontoon boat before this. Alright guys, it's time to settle down for the evening. It's about 9 o'clock. Had KFC for dinner. That was really good. Hit the spot. So now we're just going to relax and enjoy the evening. It's going to be a really busy day tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it. Good morning. Saturday morning, 7 a.m. It's coffee o'clock. And here in a little bit, after breakfast, I'm going to get things ready for the boat. It's going to be a fun day. Right now the weather's looking beautiful. You guys can see the lake itself. It's dead calm. Alright, we finally got out on the lake. Got my dad, Kim, Pam, Mimi, Tracy. About to go tubing. Very nice weather.
Hot.
It's hot, but light winds, a lot of boats on the water, which means lots of waves that we'll be hitting on the tube. So I'm prepared to get thrown off, and I'm looking forward to it.
You're not going to be able to hear me too well. I got my waterproof case on. Tracy on the tube. Should be a fun time. perfect. That was a big wave we just went up on. Holy moly.
That was like airborne, dude. Ejectocito, cuz.
Alright guys, we got slung off about 3 times. How'd you feel about that?
Felt great. Best thing I ever did.
You hit those big waves, you're getting air. I'm glad y'all got to see that. But now we got Mimi and Kim going up on the tube. Nothing crazy, just small donuts and slow tubing, but
We're going to slow down over the speed bumps and do turtle speed on the smooth water.
That's right.
slow. Alright guys, we just got the boat docked up into the boathouse. Really fun time on the lake. Got thrown off plenty of times from the tube. I didn't record all the times that we did, but super fun. So now we gotta do some work around the house, and then dinner time. Planning on making burgers, and we'll have some beer, and got Dad over here fixing this post. This is some of the work that we're doing. As you can see, the PVC pipe broke right here. Dinner is served. We got corn on the cob, burgers, some beans,
Homemade beans.
some watermelon. I'll let you guys scope it out. Look at that. We had a very busy day. Very tired. We got our little brats here. This isn't even half of them. We got more across the way, more to the left, more to the right. Good morning. It is Sunday, which means it's time to pack things up, clean up, and head home. My body is sore from all that tubing yesterday, and that's how you know it was a great day. But next time I'll be down here will be July 4th weekend, so that'll be in a couple of weeks. Make sure y'all subscribe for more content, and got some good couple of videos coming out. But until then, I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a great couple of weeks. Take care.